All right, so we have a long to short transformation here. So she has hair about mid-back length or so, and it looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a bob. Very cute. And then we have another pixie bob style here. So here we have a very chic pixie bob. This is trending heavily. And this is a great cut if you want to keep a little bit of length in the front but go shorter in the back. Beautiful shape to this cut. Okay, so here we have someone. Now her hair is on the thinner side. You can see there her edges are kind of thinning. So he's doing a treatment for the thinning areas. Cutting the hair. And a lot of the times if you do have thinner hair, it will look thicker when it is shorter. So you can already tell the hair is thickening up. Or it has a thicker appearance rather, because of the way he's cutting. Oh wow, she looks beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations.